Then there's the last one in the ethical conduct, which is the right lifestyle. And a lot of times it's translated with livelihood. But again, I think we need to expand it from where it was 2,500 years ago and into where we are now, because it's not only about your livelihood. It's not about, you can't preach a loving kindness and compassion and be a serial killer or a butcher or a soldier or anything where you kill other living beings. That is part of the livelihood. But I think of the lifestyle, it's a word I'm using. So remember, I'm not a scholar at all. This is the way that I'm using it. The reason why I call it lifestyle is because as soon as we use the word lifestyle, then it expands. It's about finding the job where you do something expanding in the world. You do something where you do it for good, for everyone, not only you. That the routines that you have in your life is beneficial, that you go to bed in proper time, you get up in a proper time, that your routines about when you eat and what you eat is beneficial and supporting as well. So it's about choosing skillful choices. And always ask yourself, if I was the best version of myself, then how would I be in the world? If I was the best version, then how would I be? So it's that navigating into being a better you, a better person, a better being in the world all the time. That's part of the lifestyle. There's a really nice sutta that I just want to read for you, because it's very relevant for us. So don't underestimate evil, saying it won't amount to much. Drop by drop is the water pot fill. Likewise, the fool, gathering it little by little, fills themselves with evil. And I think that's really important, because it's not just you, it's you remembering that stealing a pen from your work, it doesn't matter, it's just a pen, doesn't matter, they got lots. Then you're going to the store and the clerk gives you too much money back, and you don't say anything, doesn't matter, I would like that. All that, it's compiling, it's getting more and more and more. And it is like drop by drop, it just gets more and more and more. And the same way, think not lightly of good, saying it won't amount to much. Drop by drop is the water pot filled. Likewise, the wise, gathering it little by little, fills themselves with good. And I think that is also important to remember, that every small deed you do, that is a good deed, that is kind, that is supportive. It might be a small thing, buying a cup of coffee for a homeless person and a cookie for his dog, or just smiling to somebody that looks super sad, or just smiling in general. Whenever you see somebody that are angry or divisive in any way, then you send them, loving kindness, send nice thoughts to them. Whenever you experience somebody that is like exploding, getting angry, send loving kindness to them. So it's all the small deeds that you do that I don't know what you say, how we say it in English, that accumulates and becomes more